welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Now if you're new to this channel and if you're seeing this face for the very first time, then hi, I'm Samudrika. I make videos on makeup, skincare, haul videos, and I do vlogging sometimes. Now if you are having no idea about what's going on, then let me just give you a short intro. So this is a series which I'm currently doing wherein I'm going to share my top 3 favorite skincare products from each skincare category for 7 long days, and this is the last video of the series. This is the 7th video. I have already uploaded all the 6 videos. I'll link them down below. Go check it out, and you must not forget, without any mistake, you should check the first video, because I have, in details I have shared about the series, why this series is so helpful for you guys, and for whom this series is gonna be helpful, for whom these products are going to be helpful, and who should actually avoid this. So you should go and check the first video at least, if not the other ones. And if you enjoy watching this video and also enjoy watching this face, then please do take a moment to subscribe to this channel and turn on that post notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And so this is the last video, and it's about sunscreen. Sunscreen is a very important part after skincare. Like after everything, the last step is sunscreen, and then we can move on to makeup. So today's video is on sunscreen. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching. As I have kept the budget under 1000, so the products would be under 1000 as well. So under 1000, these 3 are my favorites. So now the first product is from Nivea. Nivea is such an amazing brand. It is very good for skin. Like Nivea products are actually for skin based, and it's very good for skin, both for female and male. Now this is the Nivea Sun Protect and Moisturizing Sun and Collagen Protection, which comes with SPF 50. It protects you from UVA, UVP, and it is water resistant. It is a 75 ml product. Now I don't know its price, but definitely ये तो 500 के नीचे भी होगा. Like it's very affordable and cheap, and it has a very good shelf life. Now everything is written at the back. It has a very lotion kind of a consistency, and it is water resistant. Just give me some time, I'll just squeeze it out. So I have taken a very little amount, and you can see that it has a lotion consistency. Very lightweight, and it is like a lotion. You can apply it on your body as well. Just look at it. The ones which comes with a bit more SPF has a whitening effect on your skin, but it will go off with the time. Like once you apply it, then and then it will be like a bit whitish, but afterwards it will be all right. So you can apply it in your body. But if it is a very thick cream, you cannot apply it on your body. It's very difficult, but it is like a lotion. That is why I like it. I use it for my body, not for my face usually, because a lotion जो होता है वो ये water resistant है definitely, but if I sweat, then I feel that the lotion is dripping down. So I use it for my body. That's why I am mentioning it here. It is very good if you are somebody with a very dry skin and you do not sweat much, then आप इसको अपने face पे भी apply कर सकते हो. If not, then this is the best one to apply it on the body, just because it has a very flowy and lotiony consistency. So yeah, this is my first recommendation. So now moving on to the second product. The second product is from Wow Skin Science. This is the Wow Skin Science Water Transparent Spray. Water Transparent Sunscreen Spray. Now I have used it so much. Like just look at it. It's still here. I have used it a lot, and ये मेरा फर्स्ट बॉटल नहीं है गाइज, ये मेरा सेकंड बॉटल है. एंड इसके जो लिखा हुआ है ना, जो कुछ भी लिखा हुआ है सब कुछ वेयर ऑफ हो गया है. लाइक आई हैव यूज्ड इट सो मच, बट इट इज SPF 30, विच इज still fine, because if we are going out somewhere and we are applying foundation or BB cream or whatsoever, आजकल सबके सब products में थोड़े बहुत SPF होती ही है. So if you are using SPF 30 as a sunscreen and then you are applying a foundation or a BB cream which has SPF 20, at least SPF 20 to 10 वो तो होता ही है, then you are good to go. And why I love this, because I want something very light on my skin, and it is like a spray. It is a spray. I'll just spray it on my hand here. Just look at it. It's a spray, and once you spray it and then you just massage it like that, let it sit, let it dry. अभी इस पे ऑलरेडी लोशन वाला है, इसीलिए थोड़ा सा टाइम लग रहा है, और एल्स इट जस्ट ड्राइज ऑफ, बट It has a moisturizing effect. It will just let your skin glow. Can you see the glow? I'll spray it here as well. Now, first of all, see this hand, it's dry, no glow is there, and I'll spray it. Now look at it. It has fully absorbed. There is no water, but the glow is there because it has a moisturizing effect. It's written here as well. It is natural sun blockers, raspberry extract, it has carrot seed extract, avocado oil, shake and spray for broad spectrum, UVA, UVP protection, shields, cools, soothes and hydrates. It does it all, guys. It shields your skin, it cools down, it soothes your skin, and it hydrates as well. It has no parabens, no silicones, no mineral oil, oxide color, benzophenone, and it is a 100 ml product. It retails for 399, which is 400 rupees only, जो कि आपको ऑफर में और कम दाम में मिल जाएगा. Now I love this product, guys. मैं जैसा कि मैं आपको बोलती हूँ, मैं ज़्यादा सनस्क्रीन जो है वो थिक होते हैं. If not this, I'll go for some other sunscreen, but I'll try sticking to this. This is my favorite among all sunscreen. Sunscreen gel based में भी होता है, वो भी मैं use करती हूँ, लेकिन ये spray, why it's my favorite? Because I can use it above makeup as well. Like अभी मैंने ये किया हुआ है थोड़ा बहुत. Please don't mind my brows. I haven't done my brows this time, and I have used BB cream. I just spray it, and I shake it, and I'll spray it on my face. And it will just instantly, make my skin glow. I haven't used any highlighter, but I'll let you guys see. It will add so much of glow to my face. Can you see the glow? ये ऐसे ही रहता है glow. It won't go away. It is like that. बट यू नीड टू टेक केयर ऑफ योर आईज बिकॉज इस एरिया में भी ग्लो आ जाता है जो कि हमको नहीं चाहिए होता है. बट इफ यू लाइक दैट देन गुड टू गो. सो वाओ, you do not even need any highlighter. Just spray it over your makeup and you are good to go. There won't be any glittery particles. And wow. Okay, so this is my second recommendation. If you are someone who doesn't like thick sunscreen on your face and just want a easy peasy go-to sunscreen and also can use it on your makeup, over your makeup, then this is for you. This is a definite try. Now, as far as I know, they have another one which is a sunscreen spray with SPF 40, but that is like more thicker. So when you spray it on your face, it will create white water particles which you need to set. So if you are somewhere out and you do not have a mirror, then I would suggest that don't go for that one, because you need to fix it, your makeup and everything on place. For those, this is the best one. Like, I keep on buying this one. So lastly, the final product which I'm going to show you is again from Wow Skin Science. Wow has some amazing products. Now this is their Wow Skin Science sunscreen face serum matte finish. Now this is something very different. This is a serum which has SPF, and that is SPF 55. Oh my god, it has such a huge amount of SPF, and it is a 50 ml product, and it has natural sun blockers, raspberry extract, carrot seed extract, avocado oil, same like the water spray, transparent spray, and it is of matte finish and it is water resistant. All the sunscreens from Wow, as far as I know, are water resistant, which is a very good thing. And it also retails for 399. Now this is a very unique product. It is a serum yet sunscreen, and it is of matte finish. I'll just show you. I really like it. It is not at all thick, but it is of cream finish and it is matte, like total matte. if you are using, you know, if you're doing your skincare and you want to use your serum, moisturizer, and too many of them, you're feeling like, oh my god, cleanser, toner, serum, moisturizer, then sunscreen, then you can just skip the serum and moisturizer and directly use this one, because this is the serum plus sunscreen, so it will do the work. Just look at it. It is an amazing product. So for days when I am not feeling to wear makeup, or if I'm going to my college or somewhere like just around the corner of my house, I don't like to wear makeup that time. So what I do is I use this one, the serum. It gives a very very good effect on your skin. It is matte, and over that, if I want, then I layer it up with a BB cream maybe, or maybe not, because it is of SPF 55. When I use a BB cream, I mostly use it for the SPF and some extra coverage. But if you are someone who has a very very pigmented skin, then BB cream won't give you a coverage. So right now also I'm having a BB cream on, so it gives me good coverage, because I don't have that much of pigmented skin right now. The pigmentation is very less, so I could just hide it, and I do not have a lot of dark circles, so it's okay for me. So if you're someone like me who doesn't likes to wear makeup while going to college for work, this is a definite pick for you. Just go give this a try, and once you are done using it and after some time you feel like, oh, I just want to wash my face, then you can definitely go and wash your face, because you have no makeup on, right? You can wash your face and then layer it up again. And if not, then you can use the UV water transparent spray. These two are from Wow, and these two products are amazing for your face. And now I have many more sunscreens from Wow, but these two are my favorite. That's why I'm recommending these two to you guys. And if you want something for your body, then the Nivea one is a great thing to buy. I use it every single day, and I have more sunscreens, but they are like on the pricier side, so I do not like using them like the way I like using this one and this one, and also the Nivea one. That is why you are seeing this. So if you guys want to buy anything among these three products, then links will be down below. Go check it out and get yourself one, because sunscreen is so very important. Even if you're not stepping outside your home, sunscreen is a must. Even if you're staying inside your house, sunscreen should be used to protect your skin. Our skin is very sensitive. घर के अंदर भी सन के रेज थोड़े बहुत आ जाते हैं. इफ नॉट, देन द लाइट विच वी आर सिटिंग इन, राइट नाउ आई एम सिटिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ अ रिंग लाइट, सो इसके भी बहुत हार्मफुल रेज होते हैं, जिसके वजह से हमको सनस्क्रीन यूज़ करना ही होता है टू प्रोटेक्ट आवर स्किन. सो ऐसे गलत फहमी में मत रहना कि आप घर के अंदर हो तो आपको सनस्क्रीन नहीं चाहिए. दैट इज़ वाई यू गेट your skin damaged, you get pigmentation in your skin, not the ones like acne scars. उसके बारे में बात नहीं कर रही हूँ. The normal pigmentation like dots, dark spots, you get it because you don't use sunscreen. Your skin is enough sensitive to get those pigmentation into your skin, and that is why you ruin your skin. So yeah, please do get yourself a good sunscreen, invest some money onto it, and then make your skin better. So guys, that's it about this video, and here we are towards the end of the series. This was the last video. I am super happy and so proud of myself that I could do this, like uploading a video every single day while I was so irregular in YouTube. I am very happy with myself, with my work. I hope you guys keep loving and supporting me, and I'll come up with more series like this. I have seen comments where people are requesting me to do a series, like similar kind of series with cosmetics or makeup. I'll do that surely, but I'll take a break for a few days. I'll upload more different contents, and then I'll start the series again on makeup, wherein I'll be going to upload single makeup product from each makeup category, and again a top 3 or top 2, or I'll think about it. Everything will be there, like top 3 foundation, top 3 concealer, top 3 compacts, every single thing. So if you are excited, or if you want me to do that, again please comment down below, and do share more ideas what I should create content on. So if you like this video, hit on that like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on that post notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video, and comment down below how you liked and enjoyed this series. Bye.